everyone, so this is going to be how to make a bracelet for beginners. So all you're going to need is 3 things. You need string, beads, any kind, of course, and scissors. And so if you're starting out and you're trying to sell these, the lengths that you use is, I believe, 7.5 or 7 for normal or females, 7 for females, I think 7.5 for guys, and then for small hands or small wrists, say 6.5, which is what I use. So cut the string that you need. I just got stuck on my phone stand. Okay. Go ahead and tie the end. Make sure you cut off more than you need, so you have enough room to tie it and stuff. So I tie it or I make a knot like 4 times. And we're gonna start. And for if you want to be like super stretchy, like more stretchy than this, get 0.5 mm. With this, I'm using 0.8 mm because it's the string that I'm working with and have for now. So anyways, stretching it also helps to make it more stretchy too. So I'm gonna put the beads on and you just put it on the string. So I'm gonna put this on and come back and show y'all. This is what I got so far. It's one pause or unpause it to show y'all. That's what I got. I'm like almost halfway, so I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so now that I got it, I'm gonna show y'all on how you can hide a knot on this too. So how we're gonna tie it. Close up the beads real quick. So how we're gonna tie it is we're gonna put it directly. Well, not directly, but as middle as I can get it. Do this, and this is where prepare for a chance for the string to break. You don't want to tie it too much, but just where the beads are almost touching each other. So they're really close. And then you want to keep that tight as much as possible while you tie it. It's easier for me to put it like facing down. Like here, I'll show you. Facing down like this to tie it. So it's like really closed up. And you just wanna tie it a couple times. This 2, I do like 4 times. 3, 4. Tighten like that. Go as close to the knot, but not all the way. Don't go all the way or you're gonna cut the knot and it's gonna break. Obvious. Okay. So now you see the knot is right there. You want to take one of the beads and slide the knot through. This one might be a little bit difficult because I made the knot a little big. So try not to make the knot too big, I guess. And then there you go. You can't see it. You can see a little bit because the knot's a little too big to slide in the bead. I put, oh, there we go. I got it. So now you can't see it. Just stretch it. We'll see a knot. That's how you hide a knot. Thank you for watching. subscribe, and comment what you want to watch next. Thank you.